Unlocking opportunities through language learning. Learning a new language, whether spoken or programming, can open doors you didn't even know existed. Let's explore how multilingual skills can give your coding career a major boost. First, think about how learning a spoken language like English, Spanish, or Mandarin can help you communicate with international clients, collaborate on global teams, or even access resources that aren't available in your native tongue. Many programming forums and documentation are in English, and being fluent can make your learning curve smoother. Now, let's talk about programming languages. Expanding your knowledge to include multiple programming languages, like Python, JavaScript, or Ruby, makes you a more versatile and sought-after developer. For instance, knowing Python might help you with back-end development, while JavaScript is crucial for front-end tasks. Each language has its own strengths, and being fluent in several gives you the ability to choose the right tool for the job. Learning languages, whether spoken or programming, also enhances your problem-solving skills. You start thinking in different ways, breaking down problems more effectively, and adapting to new challenges. This is invaluable in coding, where creative thinking is key. If you've been considering learning another language, take the plunge. It's an investment in yourself and your career. And who knows? It might just open up the next big opportunity. What's your take? Have you experienced the benefits of learning another language? Let's discuss in the comments.